Today I'll be showing you guys exactly how I edit my photos in Lightroom, but there's a catch. I'm gonna try to do it under 3 minutes. Let the timer begin. So we have a picture for a beautiful model Grace. This picture seems good straight out of the camera. The only thing I want to do is increase the exposure on the subject and maybe increase the purples in the background. Apart from that, this picture seems great already. So it's actually an easy picture. You don't need to do too much edits. So I'm gonna create a mask, select our subject, and I want to increase the exposure, not too much. Give some highlights a bit, decrease the whites, nothing too crazy, maybe a bit of shadows. That seems perfect already. And now I want to duplicate and invert that so I can deal with the purples in the background. AI didn't do a good job, so I might need to erase the shoe just a bit. That seems okay. I'm gonna decrease the exposure in the background just a bit. Maybe decrease the highlights, yeah, a bit more. 7 is good. Shadows increase a bit. That's perfect. Now I want to go to my point color, and since I just want to affect the purple in the background, all I gotta do is point at the purple and it selects the color, and all we just gotta do is mess around with the sliders. So I want to increase the saturation. Ooh, that looks too much, so I'm gonna increase the hue a bit. Yeah, this looks amazing. Increase the saturation just a bit. Okay, that's a bit too much. Okay, 32. Increase the luminance. This looks good. This looks good. And yeah, now I just want to add my beauty presets. This just essentially makes the skin smoother. Increase the brightness of the eye. I want to adjust this to 45. Then I want to increase the brightness of her eye just a bit, like seeing the eyes bright. Let's see if we could recover those data lost from the darkness. Exposure. Okay, that's good enough. Let's see our before and after. So progress looks better. Now all I want to do is add some sharpening to our image. Actually, I'm gonna just add some sharpening to just our subject, because the background doesn't need sharpening, and sharpening should be right here. Add sharpening. And I think we're done. Yes, click on auto. Actually, one more thing. I just want to increase the vibrance of the picture. 16 is perfect. Now our picture looks awesome. We export and we're done. This presets makes your edit faster, so if you can get presets, I would recommend you to get presets because it's gonna make your workflow faster. And sometimes presets are just something you just want to try. Like sometimes I just use presets that I randomly never use. Presets are good. Let's see our picture. And this is our picture, so it looks good. I love it. Looks amazing. Good shot. And that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more detailed tutorials, I know this was like a short challenge, 3 minutes, but if you want more detailed tutorials, comment down below. And it's your boy Danny, and we're signing out.